Elevate your social media presence with a personalized Pubg logo that declares champion. First, summon Adobe Photoshop Cs6 and start a fresh document. Make it square. Roughly 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels is adequate, and title it something like Pubg logo. This provides us with a great starting point. Now, grab your ellipse tool, the circle shape tool, and sketch a perfect circle. Keep the Shift-key press as you drag to ensure a flawless circle. Fill it with a dark green color similar to the Pubg logo's background hue. Add a separate layer on top of the green circle via the Layers panel. Let's label this layer Circle Outline. Next, utilize the Text tool and enter Pubg. Employing a bold, striking font, centrally position the text within the circle. Make the text white so it stands out. Utilize the Rectangle Shape tool and create a long rectangle shape across the existing Pubg text. Then modify the fill and stroke color for visual appeal. And there you have it. You've just crafted a professional pub gaming logo. Use this on your social media, your live streams, and everywhere you want to showcase your gaming enthusiasm. Remember to save it as a high-quality PNG file to maintain its crisp appearance. Show it off in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome design tutorials.